What is up, guys? It's RDB Tech with my first video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a $450 budget gaming PC in 2017. So first up, for the motherboard, I went with the ASRock H11 or 110M for $47. Good motherboard. It has DDR4, only 2 slots, but that'll be fine for a budget build. And yeah. For this build, I went with a single stick of 8 GB of RAM from Crucial. It's the Ballistics for $53. I went with the single stick for upgradability in the future, down the road, when you get a little bit more money. For the power supply, I chose the EVGA 430 watt power supply for $35. Not much else to say about this one. Amazing power supply for a budget build, and it's a little overkill, but it'll be good for upgrades in the future. Since this is a budget build, I skipped out on SSD and chose a WD Blue 1TB hard drive for only $15. Really reliable. Not much else to say. I see it on a lot of budget builds, and it's just a great hard drive. Now onto the CPU. I went with the new 7th Gen Pentium G4560 processor from Intel for $65. It has 2 cores and 2 threads, so it acts like a quad core, and it's clocked in at 3.5 GHz. There's no overclocking on this card, so we'll just be using the stock fan that comes with it. Now, the graphics card, I went with the MSI Armor RX 470 for $155 on mail-in rebate. On Amazon, if the rebate is not available, it's only $20 extra. It will take you out of the $450 range, but only by $20. And I'm sure you could get that in less than a week. And last, housing all these parts is the Zalman ATX mid tower for $46. Has a nice blue LEDs, and it will provide more than enough room for all our parts. All in all, the computer comes in at $451. I know, we went a bit over budget with $1. This PC should be able to handle a lot of new games at 1080p, around 60 FPS, so it's a budget beast, I would say. It can perform with a lot of other computers that are a little bit more above its price. And thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more builds, more tech reviews, more everything, because I'll be making videos in the future.